One of the competencies for this course is for you to be able to produce meeting materials, and the exercise that you're going to complete to give you a taste of that is on page 185, exercise number 4, and it's called the seminar announcement. And you could also use these same concepts for meeting announcements. So I'm going to open the document, and then when you see the document, you'll see over to the right side there are a bunch of comments, and these are instructions of things for you to do. So for this first one, it says to use title style for the main title of the announcement. That means you click over here where you see the wording, and then you go to the top of your screen and apply the title style that's in the styles section of the ribbon. For the item that you see here, you're going to use heading 1, and then you can go on down through there and see the different heading styles that you're going to use. Okay, moving on, another instruction here. It says to make this a bulleted list, and what that means is for you to select the information that you see here and then go to the top of your screen and click on the bullets button. The comment that you see here says spell state names in full, and what that means is for you to find all state names that you see and spell those out in full. Not only for the item here, but for the ones below. If you look closely when you see these comments, you can see a little beginning kind of bracket here and then an ending bracket, and that means you're supposed to apply these comments to each occurrence in that area. I went ahead and completed all of the other comments. You can read those and complete them. Then at the very end, the very last comment says, remember to delete all comments from the completed announcement, and let me show you how to do that. You need to go to the top of your screen, click on the Review tab. You're going to see, in the Review tab, you're going to see these different comments buttons here. If you are not clicked in an area that says anything that has a comment, this item will be grayed out. So you need to click into something that you've worked on. It doesn't matter which one. And then click the drop down arrow at the bottom of this button, and then click on Delete All Comments in Document. And now they're gone. Now looking at your text, you're told to correct all errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, capitalization, number usage, and word usage. So to start that, I'm going to go ahead and correct all of the typos. Those are items that are underlined in red. They are misspelled word typos. So for instance, on this first item, I can right click and then choose one of the options that's at the top. That's a form of spell check. Or if you prefer, you can go up to the spelling and grammar button and find every occurrence and then change it that way. It's also picking up some grammar problems. This seminar will teach your, and it should be you actually, so that one's not really good to use in this spelling and grammar check. So I'm going to take out the R and I'm going to change that, and then you can go on and use either one of those methods to fix your document. On this one, I'm going back to right clicking because that's my preferred method. You want that appearance of your to be there. And so on and on you go, fixing all of those grammar and spelling errors. There are a number of other problems in capitalization and a few punctuation problems and so forth that you'll need to investigate on your own. Particularly pay attention to number usage. Anytime you see a dash dash in any of your projects in college, make sure you change those to the current year. Also, in business administrative technology, and for those of you who are in management or accounting or another course of study, you want to still be very particular about your punctuation usage. Be consistent with it, if you get my hint right there. And then make sure you pay attention to the details. Again, there is a capitalization error there, and you need to make sure you correct anything like that. When you have completed your document, you need to save it with the file name that I've given you in the Dropbox for this assignment, and then upload it. I hope this helps.